how to add and make and create event page on Google Sites. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Sites. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just go to template gallery, click on it and scroll down, go to work and click on event. After you click on event, now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just wait a few seconds and now you can add your event name, for example media event, like this. Now here go to the from date to date, you can add your date, the name and many options. You can also change all those pictures by clicking on them. Click on your right mouse and click here. Now click on those three dots and click on replace image and click upload to choose from your computer. And you can also change all those informations. You can also add something from here if you want, for example a drive file or images or text or whatever you want. So easy and fast. You can also change the template if you want. As you can see, after you finish editing your event page, go to the top here and click on publish. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later in the next video.